Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back in a new vlog. And in today's vlog, we have come for a vintage car meetup. Basically, it's me and Temur. Hey guys, say hi. So basically, we were just going for a ride on 14 August, and we saw this vintage car meetup.
Yeah.
So here, I'm a big fan of JDM vintage stuff.
Yeah.
So there's a Toyota Cressida. Yeah, it is a Cressida, and I guess this is a 70s model. And check this thing out. The interior, everything has its own stuff except for the assembly, and it has some gauges. Yeah, this car is crazy cool, guys. Check this out. Although it's old, it may not look like too good, but for a car guy, it's a gem, bro. It's a rear wheel drive gem. Imagine putting a 2JZ in this and
Oh,
dripping around.
imagine. I think a 2JZ can easily fit in this as well.
Yeah, it can. It would hold a V8 also.
Yeah, exactly.
Next, there is a Mercedes over there. I don't know which one is this.
Look,
Let's check it out.
coming. Yo, check that out.
Yeah, that's a convertible. This is, I guess, a 280 SE. That's the model. And this one is really clean, bro. This is like parking it in some freaking garage for just cleaning it up.
Exactly.
Next, we have this Rolls Royce as well. It's a really vintage one. Not a big fan of vintage car, but it is a cool car. It is cool.
And then we have this Mercedes.
Yeah, I'll show this one also. We have this one.
It's from Park Wheels.
Yeah. This model is it's a diesel, okay. I don't know which model it is, but you guys know German cars lovers. It's a cool car. Then we have a MG here. It's like a 80s or 70s race car. Check this out. Check the red and blue interior contrast. Bro, honestly, I don't think the red is going that well with the blue,
Yeah,
but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's go front. Let's check out the rest of the cars. There's a Chevrolet over there as well.
Chevrolet Caprice Classic.
Let's go. This one is nice.
Yeah,
It's like freaking. It's cool, man. Having such a big car, this is a boat, bro.
Exactly. I think it's also has a V8 engine.
Yeah, like a carbureted one. And look at this C180. This is like the older C180s. Full option, man. What really caught my eyes, this is one of my favorite car in the meet right now. It's a coupe Corolla. I forgot the model. It's not a T71, it's something else. It has the Vatan V's, man. Tap with a, look at that wind rims, man. And it has like a carbureted system. It's like a blower and an air intake mixed with the carburetor. And this is like the overview of the car. Honestly, a really clean car.
Exactly.
Then my bike. You guys know that.
Yeah, of course.
Then we have a Rally Revo. Yeah. Then we have this convertible Mercedes. Check this out. And then this Rolls Royce, another classic one again for the classic car guys. Then
We have a Peugeot 204.
yeah,
Peugeot 204.
look at the interior in this, bro.
And my favorite car of all, the Porsche Carrera.
This participated in the rally, cross country rally. Which is your favorite?
The Porsche Carrera.
Yo, look at that beauty, man.
That is such a beautiful car, bro.
And it is a really awesome car. It's a convertible.
Yeah.
It's a Porsche logo. Wait, I have a Porsche.
You have a Porsche key. You have a Porsche key. No way.
Bro, that's sick. Look at that, man. That's a nice car.
Can you take a picture with the car?
Yeah, sure, man. Go ahead. Then we have this Mercedes as well. It's automatic, full option.
Porsche is so cool. Wait, are you sure it's a Carrera? Also 911.
It looks like a 911. I'm not a big Porsche guy.
But I think it's a Carrera.
Yeah. Let me just take out here. Let's go. And let me show you one of my favorite cars as an American muscle lover. A Ford Mustang 5.0. Ignore the ducks and the gooses. With a GD500, Shelby GD500 front end.
That is sick.
The Cobra Super Snake. Bro, looking at this in person is another level, bro. Like, look at the interior. Bro, it's a signature car. Someone has signed in it as well. It's a nice car, bro. It's a nice car. Oh, it's automatic.
That is such a cool interior, bro.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Not an automatic, bro. Cares, bro, when you have a V8. It doesn't matter if you have an auto or a manual when you have a V8, bro. This is one of my dream cars. Not this specifically one, but a GT500. But an amazing, amazing car. But not least, there's a Jaguar here as well. Amazing car. So we have seen all the cars. This is all it over here. So let's just head home back. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. If you want to watch more vlogs like this, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bells to see more
And
cars.
see you next time.
Yeah, next time we'll go to. Next time you might see JDM vlogs. This is classic today. But see you. Take care. Till then, goodbye.